Are you ready to transform your career with LinkedIn? Whether you are job hunting, networking, or building your personal brand, must-win this platform is essential. In this guide, we will unveil powerful strategies to make your profile stand out and attract the right opportunities. Say goodbye to missed connections and hello to your dream job. Let's dive in and unlock the full potential of LinkedIn together. So hey guys, and welcome back in another video where I will show you how to use LinkedIn for beginners. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into linkedin.com. This is the homepage as you can see. So LinkedIn is a professional networking platform designed to connect individuals and businesses. It allows users to create profiles that highlight their skills, experience, and achievements. One of the key benefits is the ability to network with industry professionals, which can lead to job opportunities and collaborations. Additionally, LinkedIn provides access to a wealth of resources, including articles, job postings, and industry insights. Using LinkedIn can significantly enhance your professional presence and open doors to career advancement. So you have just right now to stay tuned until the end of this video where we will reveal insider tips on maximizing your LinkedIn profile. You won't want to miss your step-by-step guide that showcases you exactly how to attract recruiters and expand your network. Whether you are a beginner or looking to enhance your skills, this is your chance to unlock LinkedIn's full potential. Let's dive in and transform your professional journey together. So let's get started. So let's come back to the top here, and in the top right we will find here sign in, and we have here shown now. So this is if you want to find your account, and this is if you want to create an account. So you can just click over the one you want and you get started and you will find this page. You have to write your email address and your password. It is related to the sign in, and here we have also join now if you want to create an account. So once you create your account and you write your personal information such as also email address and your password, then you get started and you will find this page. All right, so here we have 5 options: home, my network, jobs, messaging, and notifications. So it's all, this one is very important to know each one. So about the first one, we have here home. So here you will find the posts of jobs that you want. For example, you have prepared for your job search, as your work experience and skills to show your strange to creators update profile as well. Then you start posting and try with EA also. And also here in the left, you will find here font groups, events, followed hashtags as well. And here you have also if you want a messaging, you have just to choose if it's focused on others, then you search messaging for the person that you want to discuss with it. So also you have here the button of to see new posts if you want, and this is it for the home page. Then here we have my network. About this one, you will find here manage your network. You have just to choose connections, following followers, groups, events, pages, newsletter, and hashtags. Then here we have no pending invitations. You can just click over manage and you get started with network. Then we have here jobs, which is the main one or the important one that you have to know. So first we have your suggested job searches such as marketing manager, HR, legal, sales, Amazon, Google Analyst. You can just search for the one you want and you get started. Then you will find here want more jobs. Click here to continue searching over 20 million jobs of LinkedIn. So you have just to click over search jobs and you get started. Also here on the left you'll find preferences here. So here we have my interest, open to work on, job preference visible to recruiters only, job alerts, my qualifications, my verifications also. Then we have here my jobs. So about this one you will find here to post jobs here, saved in progress, applied, and archived. Here you have to learn what hiring managers look for in answers to top interview questions. So for example, we have here what do you like to do outside of work, what are your salary expectations. So this is it. Then you will find here also interview preparation if you want. For example, you'll find here all the questions that you will find it on your job. If you just go to interview, then we have here post a job with EA. So this is the important one. Here we have find your next grade hire. 80% of jobs get qualified applicant on one day. So you have just to choose your job title, for example, project manager, and you click over write with EA, or if you want to write on your own. So I will click over write with EA, and you will find other page, which is this one. Alright, so here we have it. So firstly, you have just to choose your job details. I will link your job details, for example, job title, company, workplace type, job location, also job title type, and here we have the description. You can just click override with EA, and you have to choose your skills here, add your skills keywords to make your job more visible to the right candidates. Then here we have how did you hear about LinkedIn jobs, and you click over next. Alright, so this is how you can write post a job with EA. And here we have also other things like messaging. About this one, you will find here for the messaging in red, drafts, my connections, email, start. Also here we have a new message. You can just type a name of or multiple names, then you have to send a message also. Then here we have notifications, for example, jobs, my post, mentions. Then here we have also for businesses. So for example, here we have explore more for businesses. For example, hire on LinkedIn if you want to find, attract, and recruit talent. Sell with LinkedIn, unlock sales opportunities. Post a job for free if you want to get qualified applicants quickly. Advertise on LinkedIn if you want to acquire customers and grow your business. Then you have get started with premium, expand and leverage your network. Learn with LinkedIn courses to develop your employees. Then we have here admin center, manage, billing, and account details. Then here we have create a company page. I'll just to click over create a company page, and you will find here create a LinkedIn page. Connect with clients, employees, and the LinkedIn community. To get started, choose a page type. For example, for a company, small, medium, and large businesses, then we have showcase page, sub page associated with an existing page. We have educational institution, schools, and universities as well. So this is how it works with LinkedIn. You can just search for your job using this application. It's very useful and helpful to use it because we have here over than 20 million jobs, and you can just start posts, or you can just also search for a job. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful. See you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. See you again in the next video. Have a fantastic day ahead.